This tutorial will show you how to bookmark a page or pages online with Safari for iPhone completely for free. If you like the video, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel with all notifications. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so the first step to bookmark a page on Safari on iPhone, free tutorial. Click Safari on your phone or iPhone device. Basically, once the website has been loaded that you would want to bookmark, click on the bottom screen right here where the URL is. And basically, it's going to bring up these options. And you want to click the third option, which is share, next to this reading icon and next to this icon right here, or the middle hand screen. And then scroll down. As you can see now, we have an option to copy, add to reading list, or add to a bookmark. So click add to bookmark. And basically you can save it right here. You can add it to your favorites. In this case, we're gonna click save. Now you have successfully added a page using Safari, or you've bookmarked a page online completely for free for iPhone. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.